In this demonstration, we will add a device to the management console. To begin, locate the customer using search. In this example, we will locate and select Coastal Care Med. Click Add Device. Select the type of device to back up. In this example, we will select servers and workstations. Verify the correct customer is selected for device installation. The drop-down menu lists the customers, and you can change your selection. Select a retention policy. The default is 30 days. Policies can be customized from the management console. Select the device profile. For this example, we will select 24-hour RPO. Select an operating system. For this demonstration, we will keep the OS as Windows. Select an encryption type, either system-generated or self-managed. Click Next. Click the Download button to download the .exe file. Run the installation package and click Finish. The device will automatically appear in the dashboard. Please note that it is a silent install. The device appears in the All Devices view for the customer and at the MSP level.